When your mind is in pressure, when you're going through tough situations, at that time, world sees that you are having a weak mindset, a strong mindset, or a ruthless mindset. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the person who is mentally, physically, and spiritually strong is more beloved to Allah Azza wa Jal. एक इंसान जो mentally, physically, spiritually यानी रूहानी तौर पर ज़्यादा मजबूत होता है वो अल्लाह अज़्ज़ा व जल के ज़्यादा करीब होता है. And in this world where easy distractions are there, easy excuses are there, easy fears are there, the one who is having a ruthless mindset and tackle all these becomes a successful person. And to build a ruthless mindset, LED Foundation is launching a 12 days transformation course, the best leadership program, where we will teach you how to build a strong, not a strong, a ruthless mindset, which will help you in future to become successful. Because LED Foundation says, comfort successful नहीं बनाता, struggle successful बनाता है. And for struggle, ruthless mindset should be there.